trying to play me. It would look just like that. Good water. If it was brown. Yes, sir. You said you already know what time it is. There go my supplies. Just a few of my supplies that I ordered. Just to get the business started. You know, you starting the business, you have things that you need for the business to run, and this is some of it. I ordered it off Uline. Put it on, boss. Remind me, this is for YouTube. You ain't on it though. I just got your feet. Okay. Okay, thank you. On. So, within starting your box truck business, there's certain things that you need that I would say that's required for your business to run. One of them is the pallet jack, as you can see the pallet jack over there, and low bars. In this package, I ordered low bars, pallet jack, hard hat. Yeah, and these are just things that I think I need. My hard hat is not necessarily a need, but I'd rather have it and not need it, and not have it and need it, right? Because you never know. You might be on construction sites. So look at that. Green. You already know I'm in go mode. So you might be on a construction site and it might require hard hats. You don't want to put on nobody dirty hard hat. So why not order one? So I ordered my hard hat. I'm ready to go. Good to go. Super excited, man. Ready for what's to come. Definitely ready for what's to come, man. Oh yeah. I ordered this too. My pallet jack stop. That's so if when you put your pallet jack on the truck, you put the pallet jack in that, your pallet jack won't roll around. So pallet jack stop. There's just a few things that you might need that for me, it's a must. For sure. Yeah. You know the pallet jack gotta be green. I'm in go mode, man. Y'all know what time it is. Load bar. Actually, those load bars right there was actually too short. So I ended up returning those load bars and order some more. But you do need low bars. You need low bars, guys, to secure your load. I also ordered some straps. I have some straps that I had already ordered off. I ordered mine off Amazon, but you could have ordered them off Uline also. You need your straps and you need your load bars. The load has to be secured. If your load is not secured and DOT pull you over, well, you remember you're a business owner now. You're no longer an employee. So those tickets, those fines are a little bit different. It's in the thousands. So yeah, I'd rather be safe than sorry. So yeah, man, I ordered a total of 3 load bars. Right there was 2. Well, when I sent it back to order, I just ordered a total of 3 load bars. That pallet jack right though. Go mode. There's nothing else in there. I don't know what I'm doing right here. What you doing, Lando? Yeah, that's it. That's all she wrote. Don't wish for it, work for it. Yeah. So this is what I do every morning. Like so if I miss the morning, I do it in the evening. But I usually get up, drop my prayer, a little worship, big worship, and I come and get it in. Right now it's about 6 something in the morning. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get your body right. If I'm gonna be on the road, I gotta make sure I have this routine packed down too. Gotta create that routine. Right now I'm in the dungeon. If you don't know anything about a dungeon, that's the garage. So yeah, just getting in a little workout, nothing crazy. It's your boy Lando. I am the man though.
Righteous. The Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not want.
With them that fight with me, that fight against those who fight against me. Make me tell about my life. Make me tell about
My hair wash. Get my hair done. Get the wash. Wife, I get me right. Get my hair clean, boy. She's talking about take a picture of the water. That's good water right there. It ain't black.
No, you see the water?
That's gray.
It's still dirty.
What you mean? I'm washing my hair. How you think your hair gonna look? You wash your hair right now? Trying to play me. It would look just like that. It's good water. If it was brown, then it was gray. My hair's still clean.
It looks lighter in the camera.
Listen, babe, every time I see you